Tired of accidental edits messing up your perfectly planned project resources? Today, we're going to show you how to lock down specific resource columns in your project management software, preventing unwanted changes and ensuring data integrity. First, navigate to the View tab in your project management software. This is typically found at the top of the screen, in the main menu. From the View tab, locate and click on the Columns option. This will open a menu allowing you to customize which columns are visible in your resource view. In the Columns menu, find the specific column you want to make read-only, such as resource name or allocation unit. Select the column you want to prevent edits. Now, look for a read-only checkbox or a similar setting associated with the selected column. Tick the read-only box. This action locks the column, preventing direct edits. You'll now see a visual indicator, like a lock icon, next to the column, confirming it's read-only. Any attempt to directly edit this column will be restricted. Users attempting to modify the locked column will receive a prompt, indicating that changes aren't allowed. This maintains data consistency. By implementing these steps, you've safeguarded your resource data, streamlined your workflow, and ensured accurate project management, promoting better resource management.